assist 180 Degrees Consulting branches in drafting a monthly management report. Before you begin the process of creating the management report, it's important that you reconcile your Xero account. This process is done by matching all of your expenses and income to your bank records. And once you have completed the reconciliation process, you'll get a green arrow that says Reconciled under your statement balance. Once you receive this green arrow, you're now able to begin creating the management report. The management report can be accessed by selecting Advisor and then Management Report. The Financial Management Report is a 6-page document that explains all of the financial information for your branch for that current period. It's important that you're drafting the management report for the last completed month. So in this case, we're in the month of September currently, and so I will change the date to August 2013, as that's the last completed full month. Secondly, I'll also select under the Show, I'll select Summary Only, and then Update for this first page, Executive Summary. So the Executive Summary page shows your cash, your profitability, and a minimized balance sheet. Moving along to the second page, or in this case the third page of the report, which is Profit and Loss. The items that you'll change on this page are showing actual versus overall budget, and then under Compare Periods, you will select again the report date, so August 2013, and then Show Totals, and then select Update. The Profit and Loss page of the report shows the actual expenses and income for the month compared to your budget with the variance and percentages, and then also your year-to-date actual and budget information. The additional item that you'll need to do on the Profit and Loss page is under each of the actual expenses for the month, adding a small footnote explaining what that expense is for. So for example, under advertising, what I'll do is I'll select the black arrow to the right of the number and then select Add Footnote. And I will just write a small footnote explaining what that expense is for. In this case, I will say advertising videos for future clients. And that will just provide a little bit more detail as to what that expense is for and make your reports that much more valuable. Moving along to the fourth page, which is the balance sheet. The only thing you'll need to change on this page is instead of compare to the previous year, you'll update that to compare to the previous month and then update. This will show a regular balance sheet, so your assets and liabilities. Moving along to page 5, these are your aged receivables, so any invoices that you've sent out to clients or any other sorts of things. The only thing you'll need to update here is the Show Aged Receivables chart. And this is a graphical representation of all the income that you're expecting to receive over the next couple of months for your branch. And then on the Aged Payables report, number 6, you will show the Aged Payables chart. And then just a little bit lower is Show Expense Claims chart. So once all of these items have been updated, you can come down to the very bottom of the page and select Publish. This will take you to the Title and Details section, where you can update some of the information. Under the title, you can put Management Report and then include the date that the report is representing. So in this case, Management Report, August 2013. Under the subtitle, this is the name of your organization. So 180 Degrees Consulting International Exec. Under the report date, this is the report date that the financial information is showing. So in our example, it's August 2013. The author of the report, or who's created it, And that's all you need to do for the title and details section. Moving over here to the content section, you'll notice that these are the names of the 6 pages of the report. We didn't do anything with the cash summary page, so what you can do is come over here to this gray arrow, and it now turns red, and you can delete the cash summary page, and it will just make this a 5-page report. Finally, the last thing that will change is the color of the report. All of the 180 Degrees Consulting marketing material is in a green color, so we'll change the report to a 180 degrees green. And that code is 18AE27. And we'll change that color to green. And finally, you can select Publish, and that will finish the report off. By selecting Publish, you'll now be able to see that you can download the report. This is the report that we've just created. You can download it as a PDF. You can export it into Excel or share it as a Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and as always, please feel free to contact your local International Executive Finance Team officer. Thank you.